Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And today's trailer reaction is of the upcoming Hindi film. Not really Hindi, this is going to be released in different languages. This is the trailer for Thalaivi starring Kangana Ranaut. This is going to release on 23rd April. I am really intrigued to see how this movie performs at the box office because it stars Kangana, and Kangana is a topic of controversy right now in our country. The opinions are divided, polarizingly divided on her. Some support her, some do not support her. For me, I love Kangana the actor. Like it or not, accept or deny it, I think that she's a fabulous actor. She's a fabulous performer. What she does on Twitter, yeah, that is something that is completely, I'm not gonna judge this trailer basis on what she does on Twitter. So yeah, without delaying this any further, let's see, because this is a very long trailer. It's a 3-minute, almost a 3.5-minute trailer. So yeah, I'm just gonna judge this trailer for the trailer and not because what Kangana does on Twitter and her political opinions and all of that, because it's not just her, it's the blood, sweat and tears of so many people. So yeah, let's start. I'm reacting to the Hindi one. There is a Tamil trailer as well, but I'm going to react to the Hindi one right now. Alright. Again, apologize for the outside construction noise.
जया,
वो फिल्म वाली हमें बताएगी कि राजनीति कैसे की जाती है।
ये मर्दों की दुनिया है और हम एक औरत को आगे करके खड़े हैं।
उन्होंने जया को ही उनकी उत्तराधिकारी मानकर स्वीकार किया है।
मास्टर रेडी? क्लैपिंग, स्टार्ट कैमरा।
चली चली हाँ चली एक नई हवा हूँ मैं, कभी नहीं देखी जो वो नई दिशा हूँ मैं। ख्वाब के साथिया दिल तुझे।
जब आप मुझे गले लगाते हैं तो किसके बारे में सोचते हैं?
मैं तुम्हारा क्या लगता हूँ?
कभी तुम्हें माँ की तरह गले लगाया, कभी तुमने गुरु की तरह सीख दी, और कभी तुम्हें दिल में बसाकर भगवान की तरह पूजा।
ऐसा क्या जरूरी काम चल रहा था?
एमजीआर मुझे बता रहे थे कि मेदू वड़ा में होल अंगूठे से ज्यादा अच्छा पड़ता है, उंगली नहीं करते।
अम्मू, मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन कर लो। अगर तुम जनता को प्यार दोगी तो वो भी प्यार देंगे।
ज्यादा पंख फैलाओगी ना तो मुंह के बल गिरोगी।
अभी तो सिर्फ पंख फैलाए हैं, उड़ान भरना भी बाकी है।
She looks great.
Madam Prime Minister, if you give an ounce to Tamil Nadu, it will give you back a pound.
I didn't know South Indians can speak such good English.
I also didn't know North Indians can understand such good English.
Okay.
आज तूने जिस तरह भरी सभा में मेरा अपमान किया है, वैसा ही चीरहरण कौरवों ने द्रौपदी का किया था। वो सत्ता की लड़ाई भी वो जीती थी, और ये सत्ता की लड़ाई भी मैं जीतूंगी, क्योंकि महाभारत का दूसरा नाम है जया।
आपकी जीत हर औरत की जीत होगी।
ये लड़ाई लोगों के लिए है, अपने स्वाभिमान के लिए है। इस लड़ाई में हम गिर सकते हैं, जख्मी हो सकते हैं, मगर अब पीछे नहीं हट सकते। एक बात याद रखना, अगर मुझे माँ समझोगे तुम्हें मेरे दिल में जगह मिलेगी, और अगर मुझे सिर्फ एक औरत समझोगे तो तुम्हें
Honestly, this looks fabulous. This trailer cut looks just amazing. Just amazing. Okay, so as we know, this is going to depict the journey. There's like a biopic of the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, late Jayalalitha ma'am, and let's just talk about various things. Number one, let me just talk about the technical aspects first. Number one, the cinematography looks fabulous. I'm loving the entire camera work of this trailer, and eventually I'm guessing, of course, the film will also have such kind of cinematography. Absolutely brilliant, like how the songs are being shot. When she becomes a politician, all those camera angles look just fabulous to me. Second, the score, just brilliant. Let me just see who is the score BGM who has given this. GV Prakash. Oh wow, oh the score is gonna be great. The score is gonna be great. And we had this little glimpse of the song when she was singing, and I really like that song. I'm waiting for the release of the song. The score sounds great. Arvind Swamy, I couldn't recognize the guy. He looks fantastic. He transformed himself. I mean, he literally looks like MGR. I swear, Arvind Swamy looks great. I'm really looking forward to watch Arvind Swamy after, like, I don't know, decades. I mean, it's been a while. I think I was a kid when I last watched Arvind Swamy's film. He looks fantastic. He has embodied MGR's entire persona. Then comes Kangana. She looks fabulous. I'm just gonna say it. The performance, the intensity, she fits the role perfectly. I think she is going to do justice to Jayalalitha ma'am's character. She looks, her dialogue delivery, the way she's acting, the way I'm seeing the journey when Jayalalitha ma'am was an actor and then she became politician. The transformation looks very realistic, beautiful. I mean, she's a fabulous actor. I mean, barring what she does on Twitter, she's just a fabulous actor. I mean, imagine if all her concentration goes into acting. She's gonna be she's still unstoppable. I mean, just look at this trailer and just see the acting power. I mean, this is amazing. I loved this entire trailer. I mean, barring what Kangana does, I think I love the trailer. I'm gonna watch this film, and this movie is absolutely going to find a good audience, is what I feel. I think this is going to perform well in the box office. Let's see. And Vijay, I have not seen, like, I know he's a director from South, but I have not really watched his work. I know he is a commercial movie director, so do let me know, whoever has watched Vijay's work, directorial work, how it is. But overall, I am very happy with the trailer. The acting performances look great. BGM sounds great. Cinematography looks impeccable. That scene at the parliament where people, like, the men were pulling the sari pallu. Oh my god, that looked superbly intense. That looked intense. I loved it. My verdict is that I loved the trailer. I loved everything about this trailer, the performances, the technical aspects. Do let me know what is your opinion on this. Liked it, disliked it. Of course, your opinion can differ than mine. But let's just talk about only the trailer and not everything else. Everything else that she does on Twitter, well, I don't agree with it. I don't agree, the way she talks and the way she conducts herself. I really don't, vibe with that. I don't agree with that. But her as an actor, I absolutely love the way she performs. So yeah, that was my reaction for the trailer of Thalaivi, and I'm really eager to know your opinion on this. So yeah, that was it from me today, guys. I hope you've come till the end of the video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.